What's the meaning of Chelsea bun? Chelsea bun. Chelsea bun.
Chelsea bun. Chelsea bun. A Chelsea bun is a type of sweet pastry, similar to a cinnamon roll. It originates from the Chelsea Bun House in London, where they were made and sold since the 18th century. The bun is made from a dough that is rolled and then filled with sugar, spices, and dried fruit, before being sliced and baked. The result is a spiral-shaped pastry with a sticky glaze and a sweet, spiced filling. Chelsea buns can be enjoyed as a treat or snack, often served warm with a cup of tea or coffee.